Welcome back to the PC gaming build for February 2018. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Gigabyte Z370 Aorus Gaming 7 motherboard and unbox it and check out what's inside. And here we are, brand new in the box, the Z370 Aorus Gaming 7 motherboard, ready to be opened. Don't you just love the smell of brand new hardware? And here it is, out of the packaging. It looks great. Has a bunch of plastic on it, so that's the next order of business, is to take care of all the plastic. And look, it comes with all the items, like a whole sticker sheet, obviously the manual, a bunch of Velcro straps, the I/O shield, cable tie downs, a quick setup guide, 2 SATA cables, and some other stuff. So after unwrapping the motherboard, looking it over, making sure everything's in place, take off all the plastic from the VRMs and the heat shields. Don't want any of that melting. And so now we are ready to take a look at where the CPU is going to go. And everything looks great. All the plastic's gone for sure. Yeah, let's install this processor. It's not too hard. You just got to lift up the little lever, the little arm lever, and make sure that the processor notches at the top match along with the golden triangle pointed toward the lower left corner. You drop it in and just simply put the lever back down. And finally, the last thing we're going to do for now is install the Corsair Vengeance RGB, the 4 DIMMs, in their slots. And there's only just one notch to look at. Make sure that the notch is more toward the left angle of the middle, and just slide them in. Make sure both levers on both sides are open. Slide them in, make sure that they click, and you're finished. So there it is. We unboxed the motherboard, took off the plastic wrapper, inserted the CPU and the memory modules. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and we will catch you next time in another video. Thanks for watching.